Attendance matters. Studies show that time in the class is associated with positive learning outcomes and that chronic absence in early childhood is correlated with lower proficiency in both literacy and math. The Office of Head Start asks us not only to track attendance, but also to analyze attendance data in order to enhance our programs. The ways we can analyze this data are really dependent on the data that we collect and how we choose to collect it. My name is Felicia Carter, and this is MK Grissom. Child Plus gives agencies 3 different ways to collect attendance information, and we're here to help you determine which method works best for your agency. Let's get started.
As Felicia mentioned, Child Plus has 3 options for entering attendance: Entry Express Attendance, Attendance Scanning, and the Child Plus mobile attendance app. Each method is unique in the data it collects. Let's start with Entry Express. Felicia, what are the key items we should keep in mind when looking at Entry Express attendance?
Well, the first thing is to note that Entry Express Attendance is available for Child Plus Desktop. Any computer with the Windows operating system can access this feature. We can also use Entry Express to close multiple classrooms for holidays, teacher workdays, or when class is canceled. Entry Express Attendance also gives administrators the ability to create system-wide defaults for attendance codes, meals, and arrival and departure times. The teacher would simply correct attendance for those who are absent, arrived late, or left early. Saving time on data entry means that teachers can devote more time to the children in the classroom.
Yes, and when we think of analyzing data, the reasons children are absent can only be one of the most critical factors. By tracking absence reasons, we can isolate the reasons children are most frequently absent and adjust our program accordingly. Entry Express Attendance also provides a place to track notes for an individual child or for the entire classroom.
MK, don't forget about attendance follow-up. You can click a child's name and be taken directly to their attendance module to document a follow-up effort.
That's a great point. Now, Felicia, there's another feature here in Entry Express that allows us to enter attendance. Can you tell us more about that?
I sure can. Another amazing attendance feature in Child Plus Desktop is the Entry Express Attendance Scanning. Simply scan participants in using the barcode found on Report 2340, Attendance Scanning Barcodes, or type in the Child Plus ID number if a barcode scanner isn't available. Because we're scanning participants in real time, Child Plus captures accurate arrival and departure times down to the minute. This real-time data entry also applies to meals. Depending on your setup, meals can be marked automatically or be required to scan at point of service. Participants are also marked tardy or left early based on the time that they scanned in. It's so easy that children can scan themselves in.
It sounds like scanning can really streamline the attendance process. We have one more feature to talk about, and this one shares many of the great features that we saw in Entry Express Attendance and attendance scanning. The Child Plus mobile attendance app is great for agencies on the go. It can download apps from the Google Play Store, Apple's App Store, or Amazon's App Store.
MK, once downloaded, teachers can sign in and open the parent check-in screen. This screen can be configured to collect parent signatures when a child is checked in or checked out. Now, like Entry Express Attendance and attendance scanning, arrival and departure times can be tracked as well. Like attendance scanning, participants are automatically marked tardy or left early based on check-in and check-out times. But unlike attendance scanning, arrival times and departure times can be edited by the teacher using the same feature. The attendance app also lets you enter attendance notes and track meals. Your administrator can choose to have all meals served when a participant is checked in or require meals to be recorded at point of service. These are all fantastic features. But what are some features that really set the Child Plus mobile attendance app apart?
Something I think is very useful about the mobile app is that many people don't know that you have the ability to view emergency contacts. You can even click the phone number of an emergency contact to send a text or even call. Not only can you access names and phone numbers, you can also view pictures of the people who can pick up the child and those who cannot.
There are so many great options. I'm really glad that we don't have to choose which method is going to work best. But if you like this video, be sure to like us on Facebook and check back weekly for more helpful content.
Bye.
Bye.